Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll look at definition of version control, and also we'll be installing one of those tools as well. So what is version control? Before giving you the definition, I would like to give you a scenario of it. So I'll open up our previous project, our web project. So I'll be opening up the index.html. Looking at this, our previous project, index.html file document. This now how the document was before. So let's assume you're a developer and accidentally there's an update on your HTML file. So you need something to keep track of this file. So that's why we use version control, so that we can have different version of our files, so you can keep track of it for us. So that's why we use it. And in case accidentally delete this our index.html file, so we don't have any copy, it's gone. So that's why we use version control, to keep track of all those files and to restore it. We have different type of version control softwares that you can use to keep track of your projects. These are the list of top 15 version control tools you can use. But throughout this project, we'll be using Git because it's the most popular. So you just open a tab on your browser and type in download Git. Then click on the first option. Then if you are using Mac, click on the Mac option. I'll click on Windows. Then based on your system architecture, mine is 64 bits. If you don't know your system architecture, you can just open up your Windows Explorer. Then this PC, then you right click on it. Then click on property. Then from the system type, you can see 60-bit, 64-bit operating system. So that's how you check if yours is 32 or 64 bits. Then after, then you can click on one of them. So mine is 64 bits, so I'll be clicking on 64 bits for Windows setup and wait for it to download. Then I've downloaded it already, but you can click on save. So I'll click on cancel. Then open up the folder where you download it. So then double click on the file. Then you click on the icon, it will be on the this tab bar. Okay. Then you click next. Then just click next. The default option is always okay. Just click next, next for everything. Click on next throughout and wait for it to install. I have previous version installed. That's why you are seeing removing previous Git version. But since you are installing it for the first time, it won't show that. Just wait for it to finish the installation. Then let's wait for it to install. Then remove view release notes. Just remove this option. Then click on finish. In the next tutorial, we'll look at GitHub desktop and we'll create our first GitHub account. Thanks for listening. See you there.